Hey everybody, welcome to Captain Science, and today I'm going to discuss about the air conditioning of Airbus A320. So basically it's a very short and brief video. So let's dive into the topic. So the air conditioning is basically the air supply is done by the two pack flow control valve, the two packs and the mixture unit. This I will discuss in the diagram which is in the next page. So the temperature regulation in the air conditioning is optimized by the hot air pressure regulating valve, the trim air valve, which adds the hot air tap to the upstream of the pack to the mixing unit air, and the temperature regulation is controlled by the zone controller and the two packs controller. So next dive to the next page. So here the diagram is, so basically I told you earlier that the whole packs are controlled by the zone controller and the pack controller. Okay, the air is optimized by the hot air pressure regulating valve, the trim air valves, which are shown here. So that optimizes the air. Okay, so let's just dive into the mainstream actually. So what happens is the bleed air, which is basically the hot air coming from the engine, comes to the pack. So the air gets cooled down and it comes to the mixing unit. Okay, so in mixing unit we can see the cabin air is also getting inserted. Okay, so the react fan, so this comes into the mixing unit. So mixing unit holds low air temperature. Okay, the air temperature, so air which is having low air temperature, so the mixing unit having cooler air. Okay, we can say cool air. So you can see that the bleed air is also have a diversion of this. So this is the hot air regulating valve. This is the hot air coming from the engine. So the basically they are having two the lines, one that is going to the packs which is getting cooler, and one that is normally coming. Okay, there is no cooler unit, so that goes to the hot manifold. Now the mixture unit having the cool air, the hot manifold having the hot air. So now the three air valves came into the work. So this is supplying the air to the cockpit. This is in the forward cabin and this is in the aft cabin. So the trim air valve mixes mixes the hot air with the cooler air, and it regulates the temperature. So this is how it optimizes the hot air supply and optimizes the temperature through the hot air supply. So now the components of air conditioning system. So air conditioning system having six components. One that is a trim air valve, the air conditioning packs, the pack flow control valve, the ram air, the mixture unit, the hot air pressure regulating valve. Okay, so I think I have discussed about this five, but I have not discussed about this thing. So in this thing I will talk about a later video. And so in today's I will just talk about the air conditioning pack. Rest of the five components I will discuss each one by one on the another videos, later on videos. So now the air conditioning packs. So what are those packs? So basically both the packs are independent of each other. Okay, and the pack flow control valve is pneumatically operated and electronically controlled. Okay, so the valve closes automatically in the absence of the pressure, the overheating and the starting of the engine, or in the ditching push button. So the pack automatically close in that time. Okay, so this is the diagram of a pack. So this is the diagram of a pack. So what happens? The pack flow control valve, basically the bleed air comes into it. So now the primary heat exchanger. This is the primary heat exchanger in which the air comes and it gets cold. So now it goes through the compressor. So then the compressor compress the air, and during the compressor the pressure is goes high, so there is a high pressure. So if there is a high pressure, so there will be a high temperature also. Okay, so the high temperature with high pressure air gets into the secondary heat exchanger or the main heat exchanger, where the air cools down by the high pressure and cool air. Okay, so the pressure having high pressure, the air having high pressure and the cool air temperature is uh, low. Okay, so then it passes through a water moisture exchanger. Okay, so water separator you can say. So that actually extracts all the moisture from that air, that high pressure and cool air. So then the air flows to the turbine. So it runs the turbine. So once it is comes to the turbine, the air expands. So the expansion of the air, which happens, the that high pressure comes to the low pressure. So the air temperature decreases. So now the cold air is flown to the mixture unit, and this turbine where the expansion of the air is occurring, so that energy is converted to the mechanical energy, which in turns run the compressor itself. So it's a synchronizable process actually. And the pack flow control valve is basically controlled from this air conditioning panel. So this is the pack flow control valve on off system, and this is the pack flow control basically. So the flow is low, normal and high. There are three modes of pack flow. So moving to the next, this is the simplified diagram of it. I have just drawn it. So the warm air which is coming from engine, that comes through the pack flow control valve. So then it is goes to the primary heat exchanger. Okay, so the bleed air, it is cold and normal pressure, so that goes to the compressor where it is having the high pressure. So the warm air basically with a high pressure, that goes to the main heat exchanger and cools down. So here is in high pressure and low temperature. Okay, so that goes to the water separator which is having the high pressure. So then the water separates, the moisture gets separated. So there is already cold, the air is already cold in the high pressure. So when it passes through the turbine, it expands and makes it very low temperature. So it goes to the turbine and it expands. So that very low air temperature, basically the out will be, so the output is having very low air is having very low temperature. So then uh, when the expansion occurs, so in terms of the expansion, that it runs the compressor. So that's it. This is all about the packs. So thanks for watching guys. This is a very short video. I will discuss the rest of the topic components in another video. So till then, stay tuned.